mark sheets would be checked through AI systems. But what is your take on this?
Technology is always good, but yes, it cannot replace.
So have you attended previous eduthons?
I have attended all.
Oh wow! Schools are expected कि बच्चे sports में भी अच्छे हों, competency भी build हो, value education सिखाएं, life skills सिखाएं. Isn't it a lot for school to manage and process?
Expectations might be more, but I would say, and I believe that every good school has to incorporate all those things.
पहले ज़माने में चीज़ें बहुत different थी, अब के time में चीज़ें बहुत different and we need to make sure that children are ready.
When I started my career, there were so many things which I was not knowing.
You started as a teacher and worked your way up to the principal's level.
I would say it's always good to be a teacher first. So if a child is not speaking, not interacting, the grades are going down, then it's a challenge for the teacher.
Hi and welcome to Mahfoos by Simran, presented by Eduthon 6.0. And today we have Miss Neena Pandey with us, and without any further ado, I really want to understand ma'am, because when I entered in this school, I could see इतना beautiful school है, plus ma'am के बारे में जब मैंने जाना, तो I got to know that she started as a teacher and now she is a principal. So I think this is a big deal and inspiration for all the teachers out there. So welcome to the podcast ma'am, and thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, and thanks for all the appreciation. Really, I'm proud of my school. I feel that yes, my school is the best. So yeah, thanks for being over here.
एंड आई थिंक मैम जब कोई प्रिंसिपल इतने प्राउडली बोलती है ना, तो वो एफर्ट, वो उनका जितना भी हार्ड वर्क है, इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द वर्ड्स दैट व्हेन दे से दिस.
Yeah, actually it does.
So मैम, जैसा मैंने कहा अपनी फर्स्ट लाइन में, दैट यू स्टार्टेड एज अ टीचर एंड वर्कड योर वे अप टू द प्रिंसिपल्स लेवल. सो हाउ इज इट लाइक बीइंग स्टार्टिंग एज अ प्रिंसिपल एंड देन यू नो बीइंग इन दिस पोजीशन?
See, I would say it's always good to be a teacher first. I worked as a teacher for, I think, more than 2 decades. And when you are a teacher, you get to know how the school functions, what happens in the classroom, what challenges the teachers and the students
Absolutely.
face. And then when you become a principal in the later years, you can easily understand, you can provide the right solution to the problems, and then the teachers will also feel that yes, the principal is giving us the right decision, or she's able to solve the problem. Because when you have experienced all that, it's very easy for you to correlate.
Absolutely.
You always feel that yes, this must be the situation.
And I absolutely agree with you. Being a teacher myself, अगर कोई और authority is suddenly given the position of a principal, I think it's difficult for them also to understand कि what actually happens in a classroom.
Yes.
और बच्चे किस तरीके से रिएक्ट करते हैं, how do you have to sort these kind of problems. So
Very true.
Plus as I said, it's an inspiration कि कोई ground level से, बिल्कुल basic level से start करके understanding and growing in such a way कि वो top तक पहुँच गए हैं. So again ma'am, appreciation for that.
Thank you so
And before we fully dig into the fact कि school के बारे में हम बात करें, बच्चों के बारे में बात करें, I want to understand how are you as a child?
All right. As a child, I was a very devoted and dedicated person. I was responsible always, maybe because I was the eldest in the family.
Right.
And yes, honest, very inquisitive. I think that was a reason why I became a science student. And I had a lot of fascination for biology when I was young. You know, I always wanted to know that how plants grow, what are living things, and how growth takes place. Like small things I'm telling you. When I was very young, I used to put forth these questions, and I used to ask my teacher. So my teacher would appreciate, see how nicely she's asking questions. You people should also ask.
Right.
So then that is how. And a hard-working student, of course, because I was hard-working, devoted and dedicated always, I used to get good marks. And then I had a habit of reading, so which really helped me all my life, because still now I have that habit of reading. It always helps you to increase your knowledge, and also certain values are instilled that way. I was good in dance and drama. I really used to enjoy that.
So you were an all-rounder.
Sort of. sort of, not actually, but yes, you can say.
So when I think of you as, you know, this young child with so many values, I think this is what, you know, eventually got you into this position and handling it so well.
Maybe you're right.
Because children who have values instilled either from school or from the family, I think they go a long way.
Yes.
Always.
It's very important, you know, value education and having good values is very, very important.
And I think your school also hold a lot of great values. I was reading on the school's website that you strongly believe that no child should be left behind.
Yes. We
So-
always, you know, make sure that no child is left behind. Yes, that's
And
true.
how do we practice this in terms of, so especially these days we are trying to be more inclusive towards children with different disabilities
Yeah.
and
So
other
when
things.
I say that we believe in this, that no child is to be left behind, see, every teacher knows a child by his or her name.
Absolutely.
And also knows how the child will learn, what is the best methodology to use. So when I talk about this, every school has children who are facing challenges, some special children. So according to that, we change our strategies. The methodologies which are going to be used, we have differentiated instructions, we have flexible grouping, we have continuous evaluation. All these kind of things are implemented, and it is all running smoothly in the curriculum. It's not that, you know, it's not that we have to think that yes, today we have to do this. No, it is all planned, it is in the system, and that is how it grows. When we talk about advanced learners, enrichment classes are there. We have a system of continuous feedback. So all these things help us to make sure that no child is left behind.
Right. So I think this is a well organized system. So you don't have to make particular arrangements to make children fit in. They're already, you know, the system is designed in such a way that they fit in eventually.
Exactly.
I think this is brilliant, and I think the core of a school is organization and planning. This is how things work smoothly annually. Otherwise, it's a
That's
chaos.
true. That's very true. Yeah. And for these things to happen, you need to have a very strong management also.
Absolutely.
So having a special educator, counselor, and now we have a good number of special educators in the school.
Oh, that
so we
is
have
great.
about 3 to 4 special educators.
Great. I think initially जब ये पूरा process start हुआ था special educations, the schools were not very aware and well versed with how to make arrangements for the special
For
educator.
that matter, even us, when I started my career, even I wasn't knowing about a special educator. It was with time when these things were highlighted, the workshops were conducted, we got to know about it. And now I myself have like almost completed that course to become a
Oh,
special educator.
Is it?
Yes, I did
And I
it
think
from
every
IMPA.
principal should have like either a diploma or like a certificate course in counseling or
In
special
intellectual
education.
ability,
either.
I have
Yes.
done it, disability.
Oh, amazing. And I think this is one ability to adapt
Yes,
every time and
yes.
keep going,
Yes.
which makes you a good principal and eventually helps you build a good school.
Yes. I actually believe in this.
I can see that reflection in the school itself, ma'am. तो मैम हम अब जब schools की बात कर रहे हैं तो आई रियलाइज कि आजकल स्कूल से बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है. मतलब ये सब मेरा ओपिनियन भी हो सकता है बिकॉज CBSE, NEP एवरी अदर डे दे आर कमिंग अप विद दी सर्कुलर्स एंड स्कूल्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड कि बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स में भी अच्छे हों, कॉम्पिटेंसी भी बिल्ड हो, वैल्यू एजुकेशन सिखाएं, लाइफ स्किल्स सिखाएं. आजकल देर आर कमिंग अप विद द लैंग्वेज सिस्टम ऑल्सो, 3 लैंग्वेजेस ऑल्सो, देन अकेडमिकली बच्चे को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है, AI सिखाना है, बाकी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर सिखाना है. Isn't it a lot for school to manage and process?
The list might seem to be very long. Expectations might be more, but I would say, and I believe that every good school has to incorporate all those things. If you want your children to have holistic development, it is just a thought which comes to your mind that yes, this list is too long. But if you really plan well, everything can be incorporated, be it 21st century skills, digital technology, or having life skills, art, sports, everything, robotics, you name it. Or we are having everything in our school. We have, and everything is planned well, everything goes, it flows. So there is no
Right.
problem that way, and we have to look into these things. Then only the children will have confidence. They will become, 21st century learners, competent global citizens. This is what we are looking for.
Absolutely.
So until unless we provide them all these things, they will never be able to, you can say, face the challenges in life. They will not be able to adapt with the changing and the transforming world. So we really want the children to have all these things. So it's fine. It's okay. I don't feel that it's a burden.
This is great, ma'am, because you have kind of changed my outlook. When I was writing this question, this actually came from within. Because we feel this in school at times. Sometimes things get chaotic, mixed up. You have to do a lot.
See, that is also good.
Exactly.
With that
Right.
adrenaline rush, you can work better.
I think yes.
That keeps me, charged all the time, I would say. I'm happy.
Amazing.
I'm really happy if too much of work is there and then you have to think a lot, you have to organize a lot. I enjoy that.
I love that you're this high working individuals. I think principals should be like that. और हर
Most
चीज
of the
का इतना
principals are.
पॉजिटिव आउटलुक आपने मुझे इस बात का भी एक न्यू एंगल दे दिया सोचने के लिए बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स पहले ज़माने में चीज़ें बहुत डिफरेंट थी अब के टाइम में चीज़ें बहुत डिफरेंट एंड वी नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट चिल्ड्रन आर रेडी फॉर
What
व्हाट
different
इज
thing? When I started my career, there were so many things which I was not knowing. But yes, now learning has become easy with so many workshops conducted by CBSE. School
Absolutely.
also organizes a lot of training sessions are there. Things have become very easy for the teachers. Otherwise, now everything is available at the click. We used to go to the libraries to study, review articles and all. Certain things which now is very easy. If you want to learn, you can learn. It's just like that.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And I think it's important to have this positive outlook. Otherwise, you can't, manage the school with a negative perspective. So when we talk about schools, we can't miss out children also. और एक बहुत अगेन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो केम वाइल आई वाज थिंकिंग कि हम क्या क्या बात कर सकते हैं तो अभी CBSE ने एक नया प्रोटोकॉल निकाला है दैट द मार्कशीट्स वुड बी चेक्ड थ्रू AI सिस्टम्स और मुझे लगता है एक मार्कशीट ऐसी चीज़ है स्पेशली 10th एंड 12th के लिए द होल करियर डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट सो डू यू थिंक इट शुड बी ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन क्योंकि ऑनलाइन है तो मिस्टेक्स होने के भी चांसेस हैं जो कि ऑफलाइन में भी हैं इन पर्सन में भी बट व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दिस
Technology is always good because I feel that it leads to accuracy. Less errors are there. But yes, it cannot replace human beings that way. So errors can happen both
ways, yes,
You
that
have
way.
to have the right system. You have to have a mechanism for review. You have to have the checks, periodic checks should be there. So both the things have their own, goods and bads, merits, demerits. So it all depends. It all depends. But yes, errors can happen even if you don't give the right command.
Absolutely, yes.
But then we have to find a way out where we have both the things. See, technology can complement human, I would say, involvement or the particular area which is taken up by the human beings. But maybe it cannot 100% replace. If you talk about the teachers and the examiners, I feel when they do the evaluation, the conceptual understanding, the what do you say, like the empathy which they have,
Absolutely,
that
yes.
adds a lot, which technology cannot. It cannot. That cannot be replicated by technology. So these things do matter, but then we have to find a way out where
Absolutely.
we enjoy both the things. The accuracy of the digital part of it, then the wisdom of the educators,
Right.
the examiners. So if we have both the things together, maybe we have better results.
Why
Everything is
not?
good.
And I think if you are so welcoming towards AI,
Yeah.
which is of course
We have
important
to do
these
it.
days.
Yeah, we have to do it. There was a time when computers was introduced, many schools were not having it, and then the schools understood what is the importance of computers. Every school had it. Now with AI, everybody is doing it. It's required.
Absolutely,
Easy to learn also.
makes the process easier, I would say,
It makes
once
the
you get a
process,
hang of it.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, you were a teacher before, and now being a principal, जब हम टीचर होते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि प्रिंसिपल आर लाइक दिस दिस ओनली, और वो इस चीज़ को नहीं समझते हैं और इतना काम क्यों करना पड़ता है, सैटरडे को छुट्टी क्यों नहीं है, लेट वर्किंग आवर्स क्यों है. बट व्हेन यू आर ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ इट, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो पीपल आउटसाइड लीडरशिप वुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, और एक चैलेंज जो है और एक चीज़ जो आपने अब आके फेस करी?
um, when you are a principal, people feel that it is all about celebration. It's not like that. A principal has to do a lot. You have to think about your students. You have to keep your staff motivated. You have to see that the parents are content. You have to see about financial sustainability. You have to look into the infrastructure. You have to plan so many things.
I know.
They are and maybe certain things come up to you that you have to do it in a stipulated time. There a deadline is there. You have to do it. And if at all you plan things properly, it happens. हो जाता है.
मुझे इस टाइम आपसे बात करके ऐसा लग रहा है कि माय गॉड, लाइक कैसे इतना बीइंग ऑप्टिमिस्टिक.
Particularly when you have to take a decision, you have to be compassionate. You have to think what is going to be best for your student,
Right.
what is going to be best for your school. So these things are there.
एंड आई थिंक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्कूल, हम मेंटल हेल्थ को मिस आउट तो नहीं कर सकते.
बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही.
एंड कमिंग फ्रॉम अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव, मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ कि हम इनकलकेट करें ये कॉन्वर्जेशन में. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, क्या आपके लिए ज़्यादा ट्रिगरिंग होगा क्लास में अगर कोई बच्चा सडनली क्वाइट हो जाता है या कोई बच्चा बहुत नोटोरियस है, तो आपका पहला फोकस किस पे जाएगा?
See, if we have both the things,
Both, right.
both are going to be, they have to be identified, and both of these situations are going to worry me. If a child is disruptive, then what happens? Usually that particular behavior attracts intervention. Immediately people get to know and then we start working on it. But if a child suddenly becomes quiet, is not interacting, we find that yes, the child is unable to study also properly, then the problem is, we have to look into it. We have to see why it is happening. Is the child having some like challenges at home or in school? Is the child being bullied? Some social emotional problem is there. We have to look into it. So if a child is not speaking, not interacting, and the grades are going down, then it is, it's a challenge for the teacher.
Of course.
If you identify that child the right time, you can work on that child and see that the child is again working properly.
Absolutely.
So that is very important. That is very important. So both things are both the cases are to be identified, and you have to work for both of them.
That was absolutely right, मैम. एंड आई थिंक हमने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली आइडेंटिफिकेशन की.
Identification.
राइट टाइम पे आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो जाए तो हम बहुत मेजर कंसर्न्स जो आगे आ सकते हैं
Early
उनको हम.
identification, then intervention. If you can do
Absolutely.
that, half of the problem is solved. Otherwise, what happens? Children are not identified. They go unnoticed. So it happens. So many times it happens. It depends on the teachers who are there in the class. Everybody has different kind of observations. Some of them are very quick in observing. Others may not. It all depends.
Absolutely.
And in these kind of cases where the children are not interacting and all, we have to have parental involvement also, meetings with the parents to find out what is the reason.
Because I think at times some problems do come from parents'
Yes,
side
yes, yes.
also because
Yeah,
of separation,
So many
loss of a
things are
family
there.
member, other
so many
things.
things are there. So we have to, parental support is required if you get to know exactly what is the reason.
So हम schools की बात कर रहे हैं तो I think हम eduthon को तो miss out बिल्कुल नहीं
बिल्कुल
कर
नहीं
सकते
करना
हैं.
चाहिए, बिल्कुल नहीं करना
So
चाहिए.
have you attended previous eduthons?
I have attended all.
Oh wow.
I was
Okay.
there for Eduthon 1.0, then after that all 5 I've attended, and I'll be there on 10th October as well.
Great,
Thanks
ma'am.
to Ankur for having this platform where all principals can meet. We can have we have good association, collaboration is there, and then we make friends, and we share our experiences. That's the
Absolutely.
wonderful platform.
आई थिंक मैं आपसे पूछने ही वाली थी, बट व्हेन समबडी इज सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट एनीथिंग वो खुद ही बोल देते हैं. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने यू वर सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट यू गॉट टू अटेंड
This
इट.
is a very good platform for, and I'm sure everybody would agree to this.
डेफिनेटली
It
मैम.
is a very good platform, and it's been growing every year.
Every year,
First
yes.
year, I think there might have been 100 people or so, but every year it's growing.
Last
So
year
he
we
is looking for a new venue every time.
every time. Last year we
Mr.
made
Ankur has
India
to-
Book of Records also, and I
Yes,
think this
I
time
remember,
we
yeah.
are aiming to break our record.
Okay,
So-
okay. I remember. Yes, I had received that message from him. So I very well remember. Yes, we.
And yes, ma'am, I really look forward to meeting you on 10th of October at Eduthon 6.0. And I think ये learning मैं Eduthon 6.0 तक ही नहीं, आगे अपनी life में भी लेके जाऊंगी, because being a teacher, when you see somebody जिन्होंने इतने grassroots level से grow करके और इतने ऑप्टिमिज्म के साथ मेरा हर पर्सपेक्टिव आपने आज चेंज किया, मेरे हर क्वेश्चन को आपने इतना ब्यूटिफुली विथ सो मच ऑफ ग्रेस आंसर किया. So I am really happy for you, for the school, that they got such a nice
Oh my God.
principal.
so
For the teachers as well, somebody who understands CBSE is very positive about every norm, every rule that is coming their way. And I think यही सबसे बड़ा challenge है, that whatever problem is coming your way, you deal with it with a smile, as you were doing with every question that I was throwing at you, literally. And I loved having this conversation, and I hope so did all of you. So thank you for watching it till here, and I'll see you in the next episode of Mahfoos by Simran, presented by Eduthon 6.0. Till then, stay curious, stay compassionate, and stay Mahfoos. Bye.
Bye.